iQOO Z10R is expected to launch soon in India, with the company starting to tease the handset officially. The design appears to be similar to the Vivo V50e, but it is expected to be priced much lower than the Vivo phone in the country. The phone comes in two colorways, blue and gold. The iQOO Z10R is feature a quad-curved display with thin bezels and a centered punch-hole camera. A 6.77-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone could get a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC paired with 12GB of RAM. It will likely ship with Android 15-based FunTouch OS 15. The iQOO Z10R will likely be equipped with a 50-megapixel OIS-supported main camera at the back, while at the front, it may get a 32-megapixel sensor. It could pack either a 5,600 mAh or a 6,000 mAh battery and support 90W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.